Welcome to BIB 222 in this first lecture discussion that we're going to have together. Really excited about our class coming up in a week. Wanted to give you a heads up a little bit about how to do well in my class, and in particular how to do the homework in a great way. And so let's look at what we have here. So we're going to look at in the first week, we're going to look at these three subjects. Where's the Garden of Eden? The second will be the word Elohim, the word for God, and then God's name, YHWH in the Old Testament. And then the third, a very difficult passage on what this thing is that God created on day two. Big debate as to what exactly the Rakia is. So when we have each day, so when we come together on Monday, we'll be talking about this, basically the beginning and end of the Bible and how that relates to the location of the Garden of Eden. And the issue that I want you to think about is the connection between the beginning of the Bible and the end of the Bible. And nowhere is that more important than trying to understand what the Bible is telling us about the Garden of Eden. Genesis 2 gives us these four rivers, and somehow where they connect is where Eden is. And interpreters have long debated what exactly that means. And so we're going to look at, if the Bible is written for normal people, what does God want us to understand by the details given there? And so we're going to talk about Eden and biblical theology, and we're going to start off with that connection at the beginning and the end of the Bible. And so what I'm going to have you to do will be, before we have the lecture, I want you to work through the material on your own. And I'm going to have each time a little bit for you to read and ask you about some connections, and then like what that means and what's still difficult to understand. And once you've done that, download these questions to your computer and then fill in your answers here. What you'll do then is on Brightspace, there'll be a place for week one notebook. And what I'm having you do there is for each of the times we meet, for 3 times, we'll go over one of these subjects. And so you'll end up uploading three documents, and you do that here by add a file. And so homework 1 is due before the start of the lecture, homework 2, and when you get 3 of them uploaded, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that will form one grade, and it's a significant portion. The homework assignments are a significant portion of your grade. And so I want you to be able to come to class prepared, and you'll benefit much more from the discussion doing the homework beforehand. And so upload it here, and you'll do that each of the 3 days, and then these 3 together will be graded as one thing, that week 1 notebook. So we're going to have a great time together. This issue, I think once you realize that the beginning and end of the Bible is connected, that you're going to find it much easier to understand the Bible. If you've read the Bible a lot in your life, this class is going to benefit you. I think it help you read it in a better way. If you've never read the Bible, this class is going to be a great benefit because it'll introduce you to kind of the lay of the land. really looking forward to our time together, and I'll look forward to seeing you a week from this coming Monday.